Birds.
Whoa.
Positive rate.
Gear up, please.
Gear up. Nice view of the Hudson. I'll never get over how beautiful it is up here.
Life's easier in the air.
Yes, it is. Birds.
Whoa. Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
So, this is turbulence, probably. I'll check mid-cap. It's okay. Everyone, might be a good idea just to keep your seatbelts on.
We got one rolling back. We got both of them rolling back. Mission start.
Oh.
I'm starting the APU.
Just double check your seatbelts, please.
Seatbelt, can I make sure your
Relax.
seatbelts okay?
Make sure your seatbelts are fastened.
Seatbelts?
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Cactus 1549. We hit birds.
Maintain 15,000 Delta 331.
We've lost thrust on both engines. We are turning back towards LaGuardia.
Okay, you need to return to LaGuardia. Turn left heading 220.
220.
Which engine did you lose?
Both. Both engines.
Soup?
Yep.
I have an emergency.